Crypto's pulling back hard, sentiment is collapsing, and everyone is asking the same question. Are we about to enter a new bear market, or is this just another correction inside the bull cycle? Today I'm breaking it down clearly, with facts, charts, and history so you understand exactly what's happening. Let's start with the reality. Bitcoin and major altcoins have dropped sharply from their highs, liquidations spiked, fear climbed instantly, and social media flipped bearish in literally a few days. But here's the key. Most of this move so far is still within the normal volatility range of a bull market. Crypto has had multiple 20-30% drawdowns even during strong bullish phases, and each time people thought the bull run was over. Let's look at the bearish case first because it does exist. 1. Macro environment is heavy. Higher interest rates, slower global growth, and tighter liquidity all pressure risk assets. Buying momentum is slowing. Institutional inflows into Bitcoin ETFs have cooled down, and retail isn't as aggressive as before. Sentiment flipped very fast. Rapid fear can sometimes be the early stage of a larger downtrend, especially if confidence doesn't recover. Some analysts expect more downside. There are predictions of another 20% lower before markets stabilize. Not guaranteed but worth acknowledging. So yes, there is a reasonable argument that we're close to or entering a more prolonged correction, maybe even the early phase of a bear trend. Now, let's look at the bullish side, the argument that this is a healthy mid-cycle reset. The drawdown is normal for a bull cycle. Historically, Bitcoin pulls back 20-30% multiple times before making new highs. Long-term structure isn't broken. On higher timeframes like the weekly and monthly, we're still above key moving averages and market structure hasn't flipped bearish. Institutional adoption is stronger than ever. ETFs, funds, and large players continue holding, even if accumulation has slowed. This provides a deeper floor than older cycles. Volatility is more controlled. Unlike past bull markets, we're not seeing panic mode 50-60% collapses out of nowhere. Altcoins are reacting in a synchronized, predictable way. This typically happens during corrections, not full-blown bear markets. So taken together, this looks less like a collapse and more like the market catching its breath. Here's the honest truth. Right now, the data leans more toward a correction, not a confirmed bear market. If we were truly entering a new bear cycle, we'd expect major structural breakdowns, long-term moving averages flipping bearish, huge weekly red candles, and heavy panic selling. Right now, we're not seeing that. What we are seeing looks like a mid-cycle reset, a chance for the market to cool off, reset indicators, and build power for the next move. The next few weeks will decide everything. Here's what to watch. Does Bitcoin hold key support? Do institutions start buying dips again? Does macro improve or weaken further? Does consolidation hold or do we see full breakdowns? If support holds, this is a